Να πάμε. We are here at Vikos Gorg. We see the beautiful trees. Come on, the camera, come on. We hear the birds which make cra cra cra. And we are going to walk around the Vikos Gorg. One of the best gorgs in the world. It's the biggest gorg and the highest gorg. Yamoto Gorg. Come on, the camera, please. With me. Very beautiful flowers. Here. Take it with the camera. Here, the birds. Come on. The path is from stones. See the path? We have a lot of to walk. We have too many to see. And here there is some we came in from the entrance Oxia. Here we see οδηγίες where we can go, and I think the path comes to the end and we are going to see the view. We are here at Oxia. Maybe we see and a bear, a big brown bear. Come, the view is very good. See the rocks, see the Vikos Gorg. Oh my God, it's unbelievable. The air, breathe the air. Come. See. Come here. The camera, me. The camera, with me. See the view. No. Oh my God. Bring the camera here. Give it to me. If you fall from here, you fuck it. Oh, this tree in the middle. See how deep is your love. Now we came to the end. Take the camera. I want to thank you, my friends. We will see this video from the Vikos Gorg. It's unbelievable. Thank you.